made Domnidei. I made the dough. It's made out of potatoes, flour, egg, baking powder, and a teeny tiny bit of nutmeg and salt. So we roll this out. And then once it's rolled out, we cut it in little pieces like this. And then we form it into this, and then we fry it. And Domnidei are done, and they're super delicious.
Done.
Mahlzeit!
Mahlzeit.
We're making a bunch for lunch to munch on our Domnidei. Domnidei. We're making a bunch for lunch so we can munch. Domnidei. You helping me? Yes? You gonna eat the first ones?
Yes. Yes, I will.
Yes? Okay. Let's keep.
Domnidei.
Domnidei. We're making a bunch for lunch so we can
Wait,
munch
stop.
on Domnidei.
Stop.
What?
Circles, three
Ah,
triangles,
no.
rectangles.
Domnidei, Domnidei, we're gonna eat a bunch for lunch.
Domnidei.
Domnidei, we're gonna eat a bunch for lunch.
Domnidei. Domnidei. We will eat a bunch.
A bunch for lunch? That's a lot. You will eat all those? Yes.
Domnidei. Domnidei. We will eat a bunch. Domnidei. Domnidei. We will eat a bunch. Domnidei. Domnidei.
Domnidei, Domnidei, they're almost done. We can eat Domnidei in a couple minutes. Yum, 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 yum. So, what do you think? Perfect? You're a good chef?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Mission Domnidei accomplished, right?